Hello all, my name is Rakshita Ranka. My roll number is 714. I am from FY BCom Division F. Today we are going to discuss banking and insurance, basically the difference between insurance and gambling. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. What is insurance? An arrangement by which a company or a state undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a specified premium. Now, what is gambling? Gambling is basically the betting or staking of something of value with consciousness of risk and hope of gain on the outcome of a game, a contest, or an uncertain event whose result may be determined by chance or accident or have an unexpected result by reason of the better miscalculation. Now, let us look at the differences between gambling and insurance. On the basis of enforceability, a contract of insurance is legal and enforceable by law, whereas a wagering contract has no legal enforceability. On the basis of utmost good faith, in every insurance contract, duty of utmost good faith is to be observed, whereas no such duty is observed in a wagering contract. On the basis of insurable interest must exist in every insurable contract, whereas in gambling, no insurance interest exists. On the basis of indemnity, the principle of indemnity is applicable to all the types of insurance policies except life insurance, whereas in a gambling, no such principle is applied. On the basis of the object of insurance is to provide protection, whereas in the case of gambling, the object is to win or lose. On the basis of immunity, in an insurance contract, the insured is immune from loss provided it is adequate, whereas in gambling, contract is to win or to lose. On the basis of happening of event, an insured event may or may not happen at all except in life insurance, whereas in gambling, the event is bound to happen. On the basis of scope of insurance is limited compared to wagering, whereas in gambling the scope is unlimited. That is all about insurance and gambling from my side. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.